Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we are going to make soya milk. Soya milk is very easy to make and only requires two ingredients, which are soya beans and water. I recommend to use organic, non-GMO soya beans and purified water. It depends how your municipal water is treated. Tap water may contain unwanted tastes such as chloride that would certainly degrade the taste of your soya milk. The ratio of soya beans to water is 1:10. That's 1 cup of dried soya beans to 10 cups of water. This ratio makes the best taste and thickness of the soya milk. Rinse the soya beans with water and soak them overnight or at least 5 to 6 hours. Their size will increase significantly. Here on the left is 1 cup of dried soya beans after being soaked. If they split easily when squeezed, the beans are ready. Otherwise, let them soak a little longer. Pick through and remove the discolored beans. We are now ready to get started. Grind the soya beans with 2 cups of water until smooth. Pour the mixture in a pot. Use a larger pot because soya milk really foams up and boils over quickly. Then use the remaining 8 cups of water to rinse out the blender and pour it in the pot. Stir frequently to avoid burning or sticking. Skim off the foam and closely monitor until bringing it to boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat right away to avoid boiling over. Do not cover the pot, simmer for 10 minutes. Place a mash strainer over another clean pot. Line a cotton or cheesecloth over the mash strainer. Pour in the soya milk. The soya milk is very hot. Use a ladle to squeeze out the milk. Do not throw away the okara. You can make a new dish with it. You may check out my okara recipe at the end of this video or the link in the description below. Bring the filtered milk to boil again and it's ready to serve. If you like sweet, add a little bit of honey. Homemade soya milk is always better and richer in taste. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days without preservatives. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.